Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. On Monday, we all arrived at school dressed in brightly colored clothes for the Deepavali dress-up day. Tuesday, we didn't come to school since it was Deepavali, a public holiday here in Singapore. Wednesday, the grade 6As started their transition week with a big assembly and some class bonding activities. There was also a middle year's reading workshop for parents that morning. Thursday, the second Virtues workshop for parents happened, along with the grade 5 exit point for their IPC unit, Roots, Shoots, and Fruits. Finally, the grade 6A transition continued, with the highlight being a hands-on experiment in the high school science lab. We started our Friday with a weekly mass, as well as another great episode of the Kidding Around show, and a promo for this year's Christmas fair. The grade 6A transition ended, and we're all looking forward to being back in the elementary school next week. Thanks for joining us on The Week That Was. We'll see you again next week.